Let's explore the architecture of PostgreSQL. In this case study, we will delve into its internal structure and key features, offering you a comprehensive understanding of this powerful database management system. PostgreSQL is an open-source relational database management system known for its reliability and robustness. Core features include being an open-source relational database, its ASIC compliance and strong support for transactions, advanced SQL support, an extensible architecture that allows users to add custom functions and data types, and multi-version concurrency control, which ensures that readers do not block writers and vice versa. As a result, PostgreSQL is an enterprise-grade database system with a robust architecture designed for high performance and reliability. The PostgreSQL architecture consists of several key components that work together to provide database services. The main components include the Postmaster Process, which handles client connections, Backend Processes, which execute queries and manage transactions, shared memory, which is used for caching and communication between processes, the storage engine, which manages the physical storage of data, and write-ahead log, or WAL, which ensures data durability. PostgreSQL uses a multi-process architecture, with one process per connection and shared memory for communication. The Postmaster Process is the main process that manages the PostgreSQL server. Its key responsibilities include server startup and initialization. It handles client connection by listening for incoming requests and authenticating clients. It spawns backend processes to handle individual client connections. It also manages system recovery in case of a crash, and allocates shared memory for inter-process communication. When the server starts up, the Postmaster initializes shared memory, starts background processes, and listens for connections. When a client connects, the listen function accepts the connection, then the server forks a new backend process to handle the connection. Backend processes handle client requests in PostgreSQL. Different process types include query processing, which involves parsing, planning, and executing SQL queries. Transaction management, which ensures atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, or ACID properties of transactions. Buffer management, which manages the shared buffer pool in memory. Lock management, which handles concurrency control and prevents data corruption. And memory context handling, which allocates and deallocates memory for queries. The process lifecycle involves a connection request, followed by forking a new backend process. Then authentication occurs, followed by query execution, and finally, the connection is closed. Shared memory is a critical component of PostgreSQL architecture, enabling efficient communication and data sharing between processes. Key components include the shared buffer pool, which caches frequently accessed data pages, WAL buffers, which store write-ahead log records before they are written to disk, lock tables, which manage locks for concurrency control, process information, which contains information about running processes, and the statistics collector, which gathers statistics about database activity. The memory layout includes shared buffers, with a default size of 128 megabytes, WAL buffers, with a default size of 16 megabytes, lock space and process array, and space for statistics and maintenance. The storage engine manages how data is stored on disk in PostgreSQL. Storage components include heap files, which store table data, index files such as btree and hash indexes, which provide fast access to data, the oversized attribute storage technique, or TOAST, used for storing large objects, free space map, which tracks available space in data files, and the visibility map, which tracks which pages contain tuples visible to all transactions. The heap file structure consists of 8 kilobyte pages by default. Each page contains a header, item pointers, and tuple data with multi-version concurrency control versioning. Write-ahead logging, or WAL, is a crucial feature of PostgreSQL that ensures data durability and reliability. WAL features include crash recovery, which allows the database to recover to a consistent state after a crash. Point-in-time recovery, which allows you to restore the database to a specific point in time. Streaming replication, which enables replicating data to other servers in real time. Asset compliance, which ensures the reliability of database transactions, and durability guarantee, which ensures that committed transactions are permanently stored. In a transaction flow, you begin by modifying the data and logging changes to WAL. On commit, you synchronize WAL to disk and return success. For recovery, you read the WAL and replay the changes. Multi-version concurrency control, or MVCC, is a key feature of PostgreSQL that allows multiple transactions to occur concurrently without interfering with each other. MVCC benefits include that readers do not block writers and writers do not block readers. It provides snapshot isolation. No read locks are needed, resulting in high concurrency. Isolation levels include read committed, which is the default, repeatable read, and serializable. In summary, PostgreSQL's architecture strengths include multi-process stability, MVCC concurrency, WAL durability, and an extensible design. Performance features include shared memory efficiency, advanced indexing, query optimization, and parallel processing. As a result, PostgreSQL's robust architecture delivers enterprise-grade reliability with modern performance capabilities. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.